Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May Minta. If you don't know, now you know. So before you watch this video, do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So by the title, you already know that I'm about to test the XX Revolution makeup. So this is a sublet of Makeup Revolution, well no, of Revolution Beauty. They always come out with different sublets. For me, that's way too much, but you know, that's up to them. So XX Revolution is just makeup infused with skincare. So it is a bit pricey because we know Revolution Beauty as being, you know, quite affordable. But this was, you know, this hurt my pockets a little bit. It's okay. I'm just here to tell you if it's worth it to buy these products. You know, I got you. I got you. So before we continue with this, I just want to say that I am quite disappointed, well, highly disappointed in the fact that they only have like 3% of black people working in their company. And it hurts me a bit because like I thought Revolution Beauty, like, they are very inclusive, so it was kind of hurtful to know that they were not really including black people in their company, you know. So they gotta do better. And as well, do not forget to go into my description box. I will put a link down there where you can donate, sign petitions, everything surrounding the Black Lives Matter movement and all the people that have been a victim of this tragic situation. The first thing I am going to do, of course, is prime my skin. So I got this primer. So this is the XX Revolution Face Fix Moisturizing Primer. The reason why I took this, I always have like mattifying primers, pore primers. I wanted something, you know, moisturizing because I feel like I'm now into the glowy type of skin type of look lately. So that's what I'm going for. Whoop. So when you open it, it comes out like this. So it has like this special tube, which I love. Basically, it's a moisturizing primer, of course. It's for plump and a radiant base. The texture is cream and the ingredients are collagen, antioxidants, and coconut. I wonder if it smells like coconut. Just gonna pour it on my face, right, like so. Okay. And just rub it into the skin. It smells like coconut, you guys. I love it. I forgot to tell you guys that this primer is 12 pounds. I know, expensive. For a primer, I don't like to invest in expensive primers, but it is what it is. So the next product is the brow. This is the XX Full Brow in the color Deep Brown. I thought it was dark brown. I just hope that this is the right shade for my brow. So it comes with a, I would call it a spoolie, however it's like that, it's like an oval brush but very tiny. And it comes up like this. Guys, I'm not sure if this is the color for my brow. So this is a swatch of the color of the brow. I feel like it comes out grayish if you bring it out, but it is brown. It's weird to me, but okay. It is 6 pounds, so let's just put it to the test. First of all, I would like to say I prefer this than an actual spoolie. I feel like this just really brushes my hairs correctly. Guys, to be fair, I'm really not liking this. The texture of this brow pencil just feels like chalk. I am not feeling it at all. I will finish my brows off camera and I'll come back. So I made my brows work. It took me a while to get my brows this way. I'm quite disappointed, but it is what it is. So next up, the foundation. I am super excited. First off, this feels so heavy. It's like 27 milliliters, which is a bit less than the regular foundation because I think the regulars, they're like 33 or is it 30 milliliters, something like that. I am in the shade FX 16. What I will do is show you the swatch of this one and the other swatch of the Conceal and Define foundation in F16 as well. So this comes in 55 shades, guys. 55 shades, which is lovely, amazing. Shout out to them. So it's infused with hyaluronic acid, medium to full coverage, and it leaves you with a perfect glowing skin, of course, and a lit from within radiance. Like, I'm super excited to use this. So this is the Conceal and Define foundation in the color F16, and this is the XX Revolution foundation in FX16. This is definitely more hydrating because it doesn't dry down as quick. This is definitely more matte, but the shades are very similar, so I'm quite sure that it will be a great match for my skin. And first off, blending it with a brush. Wow. Wow, one pump is actually a lot. Guys, I absolutely love this foundation. I don't know if you can see this, but my skin is actually glowing. Wow. I mean, look. So next up is their concealer, their Super FiXX concealer. This is £10. Again, very pricey for a concealer in my opinion, but we move. So it says that it's crease proof, full coverage, and it also comes in 55 shades. It's also infused with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. It says that it covers blemishes, dark circles, and redness with absolutely no flashback. Guys, are you ready? I just hope whatever they're saying is true. And with this, I will also give you a side-by-side swatch of the Conceal and Define concealer in the color C13, and this is CX13. If you are my shade and you use the same shades for highlighting, this is the exact color. You won't ever go wrong. So in those 55 shades, if you're C16, go with FX16. If you're C13, go with CX13. Trust me, guys, it's the same thing. I do want to say that it's really hard getting the applicator out of the bottle. Like, you really have to just use it sticks right here, and then you have to really pull it out. I do like the applicator. It looks like a shoe. So let's see how this goes. I will let the ones under my eyes sit for a while so it just becomes a bit thicker. So my first impression of this concealer is that the consistency is very lightweight, even though it says that it's, you know, full coverage. It blends out really well into my skin, as you can see under my chin and on my forehead. So let's see under the eye. It is really blendable. I'm not sure about this concealer being full coverage. I feel like the Conceal and Define concealer is way more full coverage. This one blends out more seamlessly. So I did not buy any setting powder from this line because I already have a lot of setting powders and I felt like it was unnecessary, but I will use Makeup Revolution. I'll be using a combination of the baking powder in Terracotta and the one in Deep Honey. So now we're going over to the eyes. I got these quads, the eyeshadow palettes that they have. I got Experiment, Exclusive, and Executive. Very lovely packaging, very simple. I decided not to go for that huge palette because I already have a huge palette, the one that they collaborated with Patricia Bright, and I felt like it's so necessary. I need things that I want to carry with me when I'm traveling. It's £10 each though, so let's just see how these look like. So this is Exclusive. It has a purple shade, gold shade, and some, you know, variants of purple. I love it. There was no way that I was gonna leave this because my favorite color is purple. This is Executive. These are just neutral brown colors. I love them. This is amazing. And the blue quad is called Experiment. The name says it all for me because I'm not really a blue type of person, so I might have to experiment with these type of colors. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today, but we'll see. So I'm just gonna give you some swatches of all the shades. I am the worst swatcher in life, you guys. Don't be upset with me. So the first four are Experiment, then you have Executive up to here, and here you have Exclusive. I just want to let you know, guys, the glittery shades, the shimmer shades in these quads are very pigmented. Actually, they're all very pigmented, but those shimmer shades are worth the money. Wow, I have never seen a formula like this. So guys, I did my eyeshadow off camera. It's something that I don't regularly go for, but I wanted to try something out, and I think it came out all right. I didn't do it on camera because I felt like it would take way too long. Just let me know if you do want to see a tutorial of this eyeshadow, and I wouldn't mind making that for you guys. So next step is their bronzer. This is the bronzer in the color Aphotic. I hope I am pronouncing this correctly. So their bronzers come in 10 shades and it is £10. I felt like this was a tough one for me because none of them looked warm enough for dark skin. They were either very dark or neutral, and looking at it now, I was correct. I feel like it's going to be more of a contour color than a bronzer color. I recently posted a video on the two bronzers, the Revolution Glow bronzer and the Revolution Pro bronzer. These ones right here. Let me just show you a side by side. This is the Revolution Pro and this is the XX Revolution. Obviously, this is much more warmer than this one. And this is a side-by-side with the Revolution Glow one. So I already know that this is more of a contour than a bronzer, which is alright. I'm cool with that. It's okay. I already got two amazing bronzers by Makeup Revolution, which is really great. So let's just put this to the test. Yeah, a good contour. This contour is really cute. Yes, come on. For contour, it's the perfect contour shade for me. So if you're my skin tone, this is a good contour shade. I always go overboard with contour on camera, so you obviously can see what it really does. I will blend this out for you, so just give me a second. So next up, we're having the highlighters. I am super excited. This is the shade that I took. I feel like it's really goldish, but I felt like it was a good shade to highlight with and for eyeshadow, and that's why I took this. It is £12 and this is in the shade Golden Hour. It's so beautiful. I'm excited, but I'm afraid that it's overly pigmented. Let's see. Yeah, it's really okay. Golden Hour. I see you. This is really a lot. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but yeah, I wouldn't use this all the time. But I do feel like this would be a great inner corner highlight shade. So I'm not mad at it. But damn. Well, damn. Okay, I don't know why I'm laughing, but this is really, yeah. It's really Golden Hour-ish. Okay, guys, we're almost there. This is kind of cute, you know. Yes. So next up is their lip gloss. I took the shade Radiant and this is the swatch right here. I think I love this already and I've not put this on my lips. This is £8, so let's just hope it's well worth the £8. I'm just gonna line my lips with some brown lip liner. And here we go. Okay. Interesting. It is a lot, but it's kind of cute. Everything is just coming together. So last but not least is the setting spray. This is the XX Revolution Glow Fix Brightening Setting Spray, and it is £10, which is like a regular price for Makeup Revolution setting sprays. There are 5 types of setting sprays, but I decided to go for this one because, like I said, I'm into the glowy type of look right now. So this has caffeine and papaya extract, and apparently it gives you an illuminated skin. So let's see. Let's see. The first squirts always squirt in the ear, okay? So warning number 1. So for people who like to use their setting spray like me, like excessively, I would say be careful with this one because it does like have like shimmer particles in it. So if someone comes really close by, they can see that you have like some shiny stuff on your face. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I can definitely see like little pink parts on my skin. It does not really bother me, but if you're not a fan of that, then don't use it, or don't use it excessively. So it's up to you. But what it does illuminate my skin because I do look, you know, more fresh and awake, because after all that powder and foundation on my skin, sometimes I tend to look dull, and now it's, you know, rejuvenated. I'm just gonna fix up my hair a bit, and I will come back and tell you if you guys should buy this or not, okay? So guys, would I advise you to buy these products? I would definitely say yes. The only thing I wouldn't recommend to buy is the brow pencil. I was very disappointed, very hard to work with, even though I like the different type of spoolie, but that was it. The foundation was my ultimate favorite of the whole collection. I did have an eyeliner as well, but I just didn't want to use eyeliner today, so I can use that in another video and let you know what I think about it. So yeah, basically that was my review. I hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.